Imagine a world where life-saving medicines no longer take 10 to 15 years to develop, where billions of dollars don't vanish in failed trials, where 90% of drug candidates don't end up reaching patients. What if I told you that a machine, not a human, could design the next cure for cancer, Alzheimer's, or even rare diseases? Artificial intelligence is already analyzing millions of molecules in days, predicting protein structures, designing drugs from scratch, and even finding new uses for old medicines. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. If you want to stay ahead in the world of science and AI, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a breakthrough. Before artificial intelligence entered the scene, discovering a new medicine was like navigating a maze without a map. Scientists spent decades testing thousands of compounds, hoping one might work. It was slow, expensive, and often frustrating. Take 1928, for example. Alexander Fleming stumbled upon penicillin, an accidental discovery that would change medicine forever. Yet, for most drugs, success was rare. On average, it would take 12 to 15 years and billions of dollars to bring a single drug to market, and nearly 90% of candidates failed during clinical trials. By the late 20th century, things started to change. Computers began helping scientists simulate molecules and predict how they might interact with the human body. Bioinformatics emerged, allowing massive biological data to be analyzed faster than ever. Then came the Human Genome Project in 2003, mapping all human genes and opening doors to entirely new ways of understanding disease. Fast forward to the 2000s, and artificial intelligence entered the scene. Suddenly, machines could analyze millions of molecules in days, predict protein structures, design entirely new compounds, and even repurpose existing drugs for new uses. In 2018, DeepMind unveiled AlphaFold, predicting protein structures with near-perfect accuracy. Companies like In Silico Medicine began using AI to design drug candidates in just months instead of years. The world of drug discovery had transformed from slow trial and error to a fast, data-driven process. AI isn't just helping scientists, it's reshaping the entire future of medicine, from centuries of painstaking experiments to machines predicting cures in mere months. Now let's dive into exactly how AI works in drug discovery today. Now that we've seen the history of drug discovery and how AI entered the research, it reduces failure rates, cuts costs, and opens doors to personalized medicine. Machines can detect patterns in biological data that humans would never notice, creating possibilities we could only dream of before. From identifying the right target, designing molecules, to repurposing drugs, all in a fraction of the time, AI is truly revolutionizing the way we fight diseases. But as powerful as AI is, it's not replacing scientists, it's enhancing them. The future of drug discovery lies in the collaboration between human creativity and machine intelligence. By now, we know that AI can identify targets, design molecules, and repurpose drugs. But the real game changer is speed. Traditionally, drug discovery was painfully slow. screening thousands of compounds in the lab, running countless tests, waiting months for results. It could take over a decade to bring a single drug to market. And with billions of dollars on the line, every delay was costly. AI changes everything. With advanced algorithms, machines can analyze millions of compounds virtually in just days. They simulate how molecules interact with proteins, predict side effects, and optimize chemical structures before a single experiment happens in the lab. Deep learning and neural networks play a crucial role. These systems detect patterns in massive biological datasets, patterns that humans might never notice. They can learn which molecular structures are most likely to succeed, reducing failure rates dramatically. AI also enables virtual screening, testing millions of compounds simultaneously on computers. What once required thousands of lab experiments can now be done with a few clicks. The result? Drugs move faster through preclinical testing, saving both time and money. For example, companies like In Silico Medicine and Benevolent AI are now able to design and test candidate drugs in months, something that previously would have taken 10 years. In short, AI transforms a decade-long process into months, cuts costs, and allows scientists to focus on creativity and problem-solving instead of repetitive experiments. From slow trial-and-error methods to high-speed data-driven precision, AI is rewriting the rules of medicine as we know it. And next, we'll see real-world applications where AI is already saving lives and shaping the future of healthcare. AI isn't just a concept in labs, it's already saving lives in the real world. During the COVID-19 pandemic, scientists faced a race against time. Developing new drugs or vaccines traditionally takes years, but AI stepped in, scanning existing drugs and predicting which compounds could fight the virus. This accelerated research and helped identify potential treatments in record time. Cancer research is another area where AI is making a massive impact. Personalized medicine, once a distant dream, is now becoming reality. AI can analyze a patient's genetic makeup, predict how their tumor will respond to different drugs, and suggest the most effective treatment, tailored just for them. AI also helps with rare diseases, where traditional drug development often isn't profitable. Machine learning identifies potential therapies and repurposes existing drugs, giving hope to millions who previously had no treatment options. Companies like Benevolent AI have used AI to repurpose drugs for rheumatoid arthritis and COVID-19, showing that these technologies are not just futuristic, they're actively changing healthcare today. From pandemic response to personalized cancer treatments, AI is proving that it's not only faster and cheaper, but also smarter, helping scientists solve problems that were once impossible. Despite its incredible potential, AI in drug discovery isn't without challenges. First, data quality is critical. AI can only be as good as the data it learns from. Inaccurate or incomplete data sets can lead to wrong predictions. Second, regulatory approval remains slow. Even if AI designs a perfect molecule, it still needs to pass rigorous human trials, which take time. Third, there are ethical concerns. Who is responsible if an AI-designed drug fails? How do we ensure patient safety and fairness in access? Finally, AI models aren't perfect. They can suggest promising compounds, but human scientists must validate and supervise every step. AI is a powerful assistant, not a replacement. Artificial intelligence is transforming drug discovery. It's faster, smarter, and more precise than traditional methods. AI is enabling personalized medicine, helping fight pandemics, and giving hope for rare diseases. The future of medicine lies in the collaboration between human creativity and machine intelligence. The big question remains: will AI design the cures of tomorrow entirely on its own, or will humans and machines work side by side to save millions of lives? One thing is clear: the era of AI-driven medicine has already begun.